Hey guys, so today we're going to be sitting down and playing with and trying on the Essence This Is Nude collection. You saw from the thumbnail that there's a wide range of nude shades in this collection, so I thought that I would do arm and lip swatches of the entire range to show you what they look like on my skin tone. So if you would like to see swatches of this collection from Essence, then just keep watching. Now I know that Natasha Denona recently came out with like a nudes collection. I feel like Maybelline came out with the Made for All collection, which were supposed to be flattering shades on all skin tones. So I want to see what I think of these. I don't have any of the Natasha Denona ones to compare to, but these are drugstore and way more affordable than pretty much anything else out there. So I hope they're amazing, but let's find out. All right, so there are 8 shades in total that I have in front of me. So let's start off with number 1. This is nude. Number 1, this is Freaky. And they all do have like the little E printed on the lipstick bullet. So here's the first one, Freaky. Here's number 1. It's a very peachy nude. Not so much for me. Number 2 is called Happy. More of like a berry tone nude. Here's number 2, but I'm still not seeing a nude that works for my skin tone. Number 3 is called Bold, and this one looks more nudie to me. Like a bit of a beige undertone to it. Here's number 3. Number 4 is called Crazy. I know this one's not going to be my shade. It's like a plummy shade. Here's Crazy, number 4. I don't mind this one on me too much. This is a purple that I feel like I could wear. Number 5 is Legendary. Definitely more of like a gray than number 3. What do they call it? Grayish. This is probably my nude, number 5, Legendary. Next, number 6, Real. Looks like an even deeper berry tone. Here's number 6, Real. Number 7 is Enough. This is like a deep, deep one. It's like a deep berry or wine shade. Here's number 7, definitely like a vampy neutral. And finally we have number 8, which is called Strong, which looks like a deep purple or brown. Let's see. Yes, a deep purple. And here is number 8, which is a deep purple. Okay, I popped on a little bit of Alamar lip gloss just to rehydrate my lips. These lipsticks, changing them reapplying, it's really wearing on my lips. So let me talk about the colors, the formula, and what I think of these. Do I think these are truly like nude lipsticks? Not really. I feel like it's kind of mismarketed. I feel like for nudes, you would need like a pale pinky color. You would need a pale peachy color. You would need like a tan. You would need a deeper tan. You would need a brown, and you would need like a deep brown. I don't know. I just don't feel like these are nude lipsticks, but I feel like I wanted more brown tones, more beigey tones, and less of like the vibrant corals, pinks, and purples. So that's just my opinion of the color range itself. The formula, very creamy, glides on easily. It's like a semi-matte satin finish. It's not glossy and it's not completely matte. It's somewhere in the middle. It does have a bit of like a berry scent and taste to it, which I don't particularly like in lipsticks. I prefer vanilla or mint or nothing. So I'm not a big fan of the taste of these on the lips. So all in all, the formula is nice, but I'm not a big fan of the shade selection or the scent of these, the taste of these. So I'm gonna say that these are a pass unless you're looking for a lipstick, a very affordable lipstick in one of these shades. But hopefully this lip swatch and arm swatch video will give you an idea of what the shades look like, and so you can decide if you want to get them yourself. So let you be the judge. For me, I'm going to say they're a pass personally, just because I'm not a big fan of the colors or the scent. So hope you guys found this swatch video helpful. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.